Hello everyone and welcome to the next video of Sleep and Intelligence. Today, we discuss an extremely meaningful event, the recent World Cancer Prevention Day, February 4th. This is a day initiated by the Union for International Cancer Control, UICC, to raise global awareness about cancer, the nightmare of millions of people around the world. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, cancer is the leading cause of death globally, with about 10 million deaths in 2024 alone. In Vietnam, this number is also constantly increasing. From 165,000 new cases in 2018, it has now reached nearly 183,000 cases. Cancer mortality is also increasingly serious, with 184,000 deaths by 2024. The most common types of cancer in the world today include lung cancer, breast cancer, colorectal cancer, liver cancer, prostate cancer. Sadly, about 1/3 of cancer deaths come from preventable factors such as smoking, overweight, obese, excessive alcohol use, diet poor in fruits and vegetables, lack of physical activity. Amid this gloomy context, unexpected good news came from Russia. The first anti-cancer vaccine is expected to be put into use from early 2025. This vaccine is developed based on mRNA technology, similar to the technology used to produce COVID-19 vaccines from Pfizer and Moderna. However, instead of preventing infection, Russia's cancer vaccine focuses on controls tumor growth. This vaccine not only prevents the growth of cancer cells but also has the ability to reduce tumor size. Inhibition of metastasis. One of the major breakthroughs is the ability to prevent and control the spread of cancer cells to other organs in the body. The unique feature of this vaccine is that it is designed to humanize each patient, meaning each dose of vaccine is created specifically based on each person's genetic data and tumor type. Preclinical tests on animals have yielded impressive results. Melanoma completely disappears. In tests, the tumor not only decreased in size but also completely disappeared in many cases. Prevent recurrence. Vaccines help the immune system remember and destroy cancer cells if they reappear. This is especially significant for difficult-to-treat cancers such as kidney cancer, small cell lung cancer, and pancreatic cancer. Russia is expected to provide this vaccine for free to domestic patients, especially focusing on the most common and dangerous forms of cancer. In addition, Russian scientists are planning to cooperate with many countries, including Vietnam, to expand vaccine access globally. Despite initial successes, Russia's anti-cancer vaccine still faces challenges. Clinical trials. The human testing phase will determine the effectiveness and safety of the vaccine. Cost and mass production. Despite its potential, producing and distributing a personalized vaccine on a large scale is not easy. However, if successful, this vaccine will not only change the fight against cancer but also open up new directions in treating diseases related to the immune system. Russia's development of an anti-cancer vaccine not only brought a breakthrough to the medical industry but also sparked hope for millions of patients and their families around the world. With a long-term vision, Russia is aiming to provide effective, safe and accessible treatment solutions to the international community. From treatment to recurrence prevention, vaccines not only help control and eliminate tumors but also activate the immune system, helping the body protect itself from cancer recurrence. This is especially important for patients who are at high risk or have been cured but are concerned about cancer recurrence. Reducing the burden of traditional treatment, vaccines can help patients avoid harsh treatments, such as chemotherapy or radiotherapy, which cause many serious side effects such as nausea, hair loss, and immunosuppression. Reduce pain and side effects. By selectively killing cancer cells, vaccines help patients continue their normal lives without having to endure prolonged pain or fatigue. Effective in late stages, For patients with late-stage cancer, vaccines bring hope of living for many more years that were previously considered impossible. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, cancer is the leading cause of death, with about 10 million people dying each year. If this vaccine is successful, the death rate will decrease sharply thanks to the ability to detect and treat earlier, reduces the risk of disease progression, increase survival rate, and prolong healthy life for patients. Stimulating the pharmaceutical industry, this vaccine is not only a treatment solution but also opens a new market worth billions of dollars. Pharmaceutical companies will have the opportunity to participate in the global vaccine production and distribution chain. Invest in research and development. The success of the Russian vaccine will motivate other countries to invest more heavily in research on cancer treatment vaccines, creating healthy competition to come up with solutions best for the patient. Raising awareness about cancer prevention, this vaccine not only stops at treatment, but also promotes community education about the importance of disease prevention and regular health checks. Transforming healthcare models, countries will have to improve their health systems to be ready to receive and deploy new treatment technology. Russia is aiming for an ambitious goal, transforming cancer from a fatal disease into a manageable chronic disease. This vaccine not only helps reduce mortality rates but also completely changes the way humans perceive and respond to cancer. Integration into the healthcare system. In the future, this vaccine could be integrated into national vaccination programs, especially in countries with high cancer rates. Research more types of cancer. After completing and proving effectiveness with common cancers, Russia plans to develop vaccine versions specific to each type of cancer such as breast cancer and leukemia, or brain cancer. The birth of an anti-cancer vaccine is not only an achievement for Russia but also a hope for the whole world. This is proof that science and technology can overcome limits that people once thought were impossible. Although there are many challenges ahead, the light of hope that this vaccine brings will certainly be the driving force for the international community to join hands to repel cancer. Cancer is a difficult journey, but medical advances are giving us more hope. An anti-cancer vaccine from Russia could be the key game changer in the fight against this dangerous disease. If you find this information useful, don't forget to click like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos from Sleep and Intelligence.